Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this convenient 2-pack of leaf or yard waste bags. So these are actually large sized bags that are 53 gallons. So these are large size, high capacity bags with a nice bottom in them. They do have nice material on these. It's kind of an anti scratch and cut, if you will. I mean, I can run some scissors along them. They're not even scratching on the bags, which is nice. So it's going to be able to hold some large sticks and things like that. In the back here, they actually do provide you with this, which is one of the major inconveniences a lot of bags have, is the fact that they don't stay open. So by putting this little strap through these eye holes, you can actually pin this front part more of a wide mouth open. So that way it makes it easier for you to put debris and things like that in the bag. So now, we actually have the bag here. It actually will help stand open as thus. So now whenever you're putting things into the bag, you've got that nice round opening. You can either tilt it down or even leave that sitting up. So that way as you're out getting your yard waste and things like that and putting it in there, it has a nice opening on there, which is great. You also do have a nice strap on here that it can kind of be used for a couple different ways. That allows you to either hook this around a pole, or you can pick it up, grab a handle here. That makes it good for whenever you're going over to a truck or somewhere else and you're going to dump things out. You have the ability to grab a couple of handles and dump that out. And then you're ready to reuse these wonderful yard bags.